Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll show you end of the day EOD summary reporting feature. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. Alright, let's dive in. First, navigate to the pause panel. For this demonstration, we'll log in with a new cash drawer, which currently has a balance of 0. Now, go to the dashboard module and click on the end of the day EOD summary button. As you can see, all the totals are showing 0 because we just created this new cash drawer. Let's head back to the pause screen, select a few items, and proceed to checkout. For this example, we'll use a split payment to show you how it works in detail. The total order amount is $500. We'll make the payment in parts. $100 by cash, $100 by swipe machine, $100 by other payment method, and the remaining $200 by bank payment. Once all necessary details are filled in, complete the order. Great, we've completed an order using split payments. Now, let's return to the dashboard module and click the EOD summary button again. Here, you can see all the payment details displayed. Cash, $100. Other, $100. Swipe machine, $100. Bank payment, $200. At the bottom, you'll find the total sales amount for the day, in this case, $500, along with the expected cash, which is $100. You can also print the end of the day report or download it as a PDF for your records. Now, let's see what happens if we make a withdrawal from the cash drawer. Click the withdraw button and withdraw a partial amount, say $30. Then, open the EOD report again. You'll notice that the withdrawn amount is now listed under total withdrawal for the day, and the expected cash balance is updated to $70, as we have withdrawn $30 from the original $100 cash balance. The same process applies to refunds as well. If you refund any order, that amount will also be reflected in the EOD summary. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.